How can we quickly change line spacing to 1.5 in Microsoft Word? First, make sure you highlight the area you want to modify, or press Command or Control A for all. Now everything selected, I can head here, Home, and then there's this quick button when I can adjust the spacing without changing the default setup for different areas of the text. So I can just move from 1 to 1.5. And as you can see, I got more space between lines now. Keep in mind, from here we can also open up line spacing options. You have a separate pop-up when you can carefully add spacing between lines, but also before and after line. So that's how you do it. Make sure the text is selected, select 1.5, and you are done. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.